Alright, today's video, V10 Econoline with a 5-inch lift kit, stock tires. Could I hit 500 miles on one tank of fuel? We'll find out right now. Just topped off $4.45 per gallon, $69.89, 15.7 gallons added. I'm gonna zero everything out right now. Topped off on fuel. Trip meter is zeroed out. 126,809 miles on this van. Heading out now, going for 500 miles. 511.2 miles traveled. The fuel gauge is about to touch the red. Last year I did this when my van was stock height. This is almost the exact test. I could tell I have less fuel from when I did this last year. Last year the needle was just touching the top of the E. So let's see how I did. According to the ultra gauge, I ran out of fuel. Obviously I didn't, so this is going to be off. Last year I put 29.333 gallons. I'll put it at the end card, and I believe I got 17.4 miles per gallon. So let's see how much worse my fuel economy is with the worst aerodynamics of a lifted van. Still have the stock tires, still the stock 373 gears. 435 a gallon, 31.613 gallons added, $136.85. And there you go, worse aerodynamics than last year. I drove my van exactly the same way I did last year when it was stock and got 17.4 miles per gallon. 60 miles per hour, no traffic, cruise control. This time with the lifted van, stock tires, stock gearing, I got 16.17 miles per gallon. So I lost about 1.3 miles per gallon. That's a pretty decent drop. So this is what I think I'm gonna do. So if you're a regular on my channel, I've been having a dilemma. Should I go 285 or 265 tires? I think I'm gonna go 265 tires, get my van re-geared to a 410, and when I up the size to 265, my gearing will be about a 390. So my van will actually have more acceleration, more pulling power than it does stock with that gearing. If I went 410 and 285 tires, my gearing will be about a 380, so still higher than the 373s. So I might go 285, but it's appealing to go 265 and have around a 390 gear. 285s will still have like a 380. So despite what I choose, whatever I choose, I'm still going to be better than 245s and 373s. As long as I re-gear to a 410 and upsize, I'll actually have more power, and my fuel economy will probably drop another 1 mile per gallon. So still not too bad. I had about 2.5 gallons left. Last year I had a lot more, about 5 gallons left. So definitely a difference when you lift your van.